Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? I am Miss Brenda, and I'm so glad to be here with you this morning. I still miss you. And today we are going to talk about a happy earth and a sad earth. But first of all, we're going to read an emergent reader, and this emergent reader is called What Kinds of Things Can We Recycle? Well, we happen to be talking about some recycling this week, so I thought I would share this book. And you know what? There's certain words in here that are in red, and it's really just one word, and that one word is can. Can is one of our sight words. So I want you to shout out every time I'm reading and you see the word can, it's in red. I want you to shout out can. So here we go. What kinds what kinds of things can we recycle? We can recycle paper that we don't need. We can recycle empty cans and bottles. Remember, we're shouting out the word can because that's our sight word. We can recycle cardboard boxes. We should do our best to recycle every day. Happy Earth Day. So, boys and girls, when I was reading, did you notice how I was pointing to each word and I was reading from left to right and I went back to the left and went all the way to the right? And also, if you was looking and paying real close attention, you saw some of our punctuation marks. And what punctuation mark is this? It says, what kinds of things can we recycle? And what are we asking there? That's right, we are asking a question. So what kind of punctuation mark do we use? A question mark. Good job. So when we looked at the end of this sentence, we can recycle paper that we don't need. What did you notice about this sentence? What is at the end of this sentence? A period. Very good. That was a period. And when we only like one other punctuation mark, I wonder if we have a punctuation mark. So let's look and see. At the end of this sentence, we can recycle empty cans and bottles. Oh, we see another period. Let's look at the end of this sentence. We can recycle cardboard boxes. What is at the end of this sentence? A period. We should do our best to recycle every day. Happy Earth Day. Oh, what is at the end of this sentence? What is that punctuation called? I hear you. It is an exclamation point, or we can call it an exclamation mark. Very good. You have really been paying attention. And why do we use the exclamation mark? Do what? I hear you. Oh, I did hear somebody say for excitement in our sentence. Very good. You are awesome. Now, today, we're going to talk about what makes our earth happy and what makes our earth sad. And I have a few little cards here, and we're going to try to decide on our cards which uh, earth it goes up under. Does it go up under the happy earth that is smiling? Or does it go up under the sad earth that is sad? So I'm going to show you my card and I'm going to read what it says and then you're going to tell me which side it goes on. This card is oil spill. An oil spill. Would that be happy earth or a sad earth? What does oil spills do? They hurt our water. Hmm. They hurt our animals. So which side do you think it would go up under? The happy earth or the sad earth? The sad earth. You're right. Very good. Let's try another one. Recycle. Oh, we just talked about doing some recycling. So would that make our earth happy or would that make our earth sad? It would make our earth happy. Very good. Now, what is something that we could recycle? We could recycle newspapers. What else could we recycle? I hear you. You're right. We could recycle boxes, aluminum cans. Very good. Now, we're going to use another one. Let's see what this one is. Pick up litter. That little boy is picking up trash. Now, would that go under the happy side or would that go up under the sad side? You're right. That would go up under the happy side because the happy earth is what that one would go up under because the little boy is picking up litter. Now, I don't know whether you know what this is or not. Car exhaust. Look right here. What's happening? Oh, I heard somebody say smoke is coming out of the car. It's exhaust. Now, is that good for our earth or is that bad for our earth? Have you ever been behind a car and you smell that smell that comes out from behind the car? And you also sometimes see that little bit of exhaust coming out, that little bit of smoke, and it stinks and it just goes up into the air. That's what exhaust is. So when we're putting out that exhaust, would our earth be happy or would our earth be sad? Sad, you're right. Our earth would be sad. Let's look at this one. Water pollution. Is water pollution good for our earth or sad for or bad for our earth? So would it go under the happy side or would it go under the sad side? What is water pollution? Oh, I heard somebody say that it's when trash gets in our water. Yeah, trash. And what if chemicals got in the water? That would be good either, would it? That would be a type of water pollution also. So which side is it going under? The happy side or the sad side? You're right. It's going up under the sad side. We do not want water pollution. The earth doesn't like it. No. What about plant trees? That little girl's planting a tree outside. Now, do you think that's good for our earth or is it bad for our earth? Would we make our earth happy or would we make our earth sad? I hear you. It would make our earth happy. So this is going under our happy side. Turn off lights. When we're not in a room and the lights are on, do they really need to be on? No. So if we turn off the lights, what are we doing? We're saving energy. So the more energy we have, the better off our earth is, right? So would it go under the happy earth or the sad earth? It's going to go up under the happy earth because we are turning our lights off when we don't need them. Another one here, it says littering, not recycling. What do you see around the trash can? Oh, I heard somebody say a banana. And I heard somebody say a can. And I wonder what, oh, that's a carton and it's milk. Now, that carton could be recycled, couldn't it? Yeah. But why is it not in the trash can? Because someone littered. They didn't really throw it in the trash can, or maybe the trash can was too full. But look outside that trash can. Nasty stuff. So is littering and not recycling a good thing? I heard somebody say we need to recycle. So if they're not recycling, does it go under the happy earth or the sad earth? You're right. It goes up under the sad earth. We're going to put it over here. Here's another one. Reuse books. Do we need to reuse our books? Yes, we do need to reuse our books. And you know what? We need to read our books all the time. So can we read our books more than one time? Sure. We need to read our books more than one time. So if we reuse our books and we don't throw them away, we could recycle them, couldn't we? Yep. We could also recycle our books. After we've read them a bunch of times and we no longer want them, we could recycle them. So would it go up under the happy earth or the sad earth? The happy earth. Very good. Oh, what is that? That's factory smoke. A factory is a business. It's a place where a lot of people work. Yeah, so, and that building, whatever it's making, it's got smoke coming out of the top. And where's that smoke going? That's right, it's going up in the air. So, is that factory smoke, is that good for our earth or is it bad for our earth? So, would it go up under happy earth or sad earth? It would go up under the sad earth because you know what? That smoke gets in the air and it makes it pollutes the air and it makes it look foggy. And people that have asthma or people that have lung problems, it makes them where they can't breathe. So it's not good for us. No. So it does need to go under the sad earth. This is a riding a bicycle. Instead of in a car, this riding somewhere, this little boy decided to take his bicycle. So when we're riding a bicycle and we're not in a car, what are we doing? I heard somebody say we're helping the earth. You're right, we are helping the earth. So does it go under the happy earth or the sad earth? It goes under the happy earth. Landfill. This is where the garbage trucks takes all the garbage that they come by and pick up. They take it to the landfill. That landfill is full of all kind of trash. I mean, lot of trash. People that don't recycle bottles and cans, newspapers, they all go to the landfill. And then that landfill, did you know, have you ever been by a landfill? A landfill stinks really, really bad. So when all that trash is going out there, is that good for our earth? I heard someone say, no, you're right. It's not good for our earth. So are we going to put this under the happy earth or the sad earth? We're going to put it under the sad earth. Very good. Boys and girls, you did an awesome job today with our happy earth and our sad earth pictures. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to give yourself a pat on the back and a kiss on the brain for doing such an awesome job. This is our lesson for today, and Miss Brenda's going to tell you bye. See you soon.